Beyblade.net, and this is called the Beyblade L-Drago Women Battle Series Battle 2. For our second match, it's going to be two amazing Beyblades. Now, last round, L-Drago lost to Leon with 5-0. But this time, it's going to be an amazing battle. It's going to be one battle that we're going to all enjoy. It will be Lightning L-Drago versus Storm Pegasus. Did you know that in the Middle Fusion series, L-Drago called Pegasus the second-rate Bay? I don't get that. Are there like does he like give this Beyblade like a 2 out of 5? 2 stars out of 5? And does L-Drago like a 5? All jokes aside, our battles will be in the G Revolution base stadium. It's actually an old generation base stadium, but it works wonders. And if you don't believe me, I'll demonstrate right now. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! L-Drago! Alrighty, so bouts will be in the stadium. 3 to 5 rounds, 1 round for the fans. So, let's get started with round 1. It's going to be one amazing battle for sure. Let's see if Ryuga can defeat Jinga. L-Drago versus Pegasus. L-Drago! Pegasus! Our winner is L-Drago! With the score of 1-0. So we'll be moving on to round 2 now. L-Drago! Pegasus! One little rip. Ooh! A massive attack there from Pegasus. With the score of 1-1. We'll be moving on to round 3. Let it rip! Ooh! Another knockout from Pegasus! With the score of 2-1. Pegasus, don't you think that L-Drago has shown all of its power? For the last 2 rounds, I'm going to be using L-Drago's upper mode. Pegasus! L-Drago! Alrighty, come on, L-Drago! Alrighty, L-Drago! L-Drago! Our winner is Pegasus with the score of 3-1, so we're going to do one more round for the fans. Go, Pegasus! It's not how much power a bee has, it's the Blader Spirit! Well, isn't the bee power the Blader Spirit? Well... It was so... I can't even find Peg... Oh, there you are. Our winner is L-Drago with a score of 3-2. So, L-Drago has lost to Pegasus. This was a pretty awesome match. So, now, we're going to end this battle. So, please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite and share it. Please, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this battle as much as I did.